So when we are doing solving equation, when we got 2x over 3 equals to 6. So first thing we do, opposite of divide 3, we do times by 3 times by 3. Therefore, we end up with 2x equals to 18. Now, we don't want to find 2x, we need to find x there. So Haya, what we can do in order to find 1x from 2x? Go on, Haya, please.
I'm not sure.
Okay, so to find x, what we can do, Adam, can you tell us what we can do if we want to find x? Go on, Adam.
So we have to do 18 divided by 3.
18 divided by 2, which gave you answer 9. Well done. So I will explain again, guys, this question. Opposite of divide by 3, we times by 3. 6 times 3 is 18. We got 2x equals to 18. We don't want 2x, we want 1x. Therefore, we divide by 2. We divide by 2. Therefore, we end up with the answer x equals to 9. Jaden, what would you like to say?
I did it a different way, so and I got
Which
the
way
same
you did?
answer.
Go on.
So I put 2x equals to 3 times 6.
Good.
And then then that's 2x equal 18, and then I divided it and got 9.
Yes, it's the same thing what we have done, but you wrote a little bit differently, which is absolutely fine. So we end up with x equals to 9. I'm going to explain next question as well. Anyone want to try, Jorava, you want to try the next question for us, please? 13b, go on. Unmute first. Yes.
So we expand the brackets, so it'll be 2n plus 10 equals 15.
Good.
We minus 10 from 15 and 10.
Very, very good. We need to use the same wording again and again. Minus 10, minus 10. We get 2n equals to?
5.
And what we do after that?
So 5 divided by 2 is 2.5. So n equals 2.5.
Very, very good. We can write 2.5 or 2.5. Both way we get the marks. So what we have done, if I say again, opposite of, we expand the bracket first, then we did minus 10 on both sides. We get 2n equals to 5, but we don't need to find 2n, we need to find 1n. So we divide both sides by 2, divide by 2, we end up with n equals to 5 over 2. Non-calculator question, 5 over 2 is same like 2.5 or 2.5.